Krios PA adventure. I am your host, Alex Ruiz, and let's get this party rocking. The Krios PA adventure is about 700 miles across Pennsylvania. I'll be going from Narrowsburg to Lake Erie, but first we need to get these tires changed because I was unable to find someone here in New Jersey to do that for me. Oh, all my hair is in my face. Alright, there we go. Look how easy that is. So easy. Alright, I love you. The key. I'm gonna have to no, okay. I love you. Alright, here we go, we're off. We are here at Rusty Palmer's. Service? Alright. Look at that beautiful thing, bro. Alright, I just got these new tires put on here in Pennsylvania. Thank you to Rusty Palmer. Really appreciate it. Jersey was all packed. I couldn't get anything for at least a month. Heading out now. I'm pretty beat today, so I'm probably gonna find the campsite pretty early on, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get some energy out of nowhere. All right. We're heading out to Pete's Market to start our journey from there. To get fresh gas and then head out. Thank you, Rusty Palmer. A bit expensive, but beggars can't be choosers. All right. Let's do that thing. Just got some water. Jerky. A little nervous, but here we go. So we started at Pete's Market in New York. We're actually in New York. We're gonna cross into Pennsylvania right when we go over that bridge. It's our first little bit of off-road right here. Let's go. I'm excited, bro. Going left over here. Feeling some air through my body. It's hot, boy. Getting into third gear a bit here. Oh man, I haven't done this in a while. So far, no slips on the tires. Phone is hot a little, it's hard to see. Woohoo! Let's go, bro! So the GPS app I'm using is Gaia GPS. Just load the GPX tracks onto it. I know a lot of people pay for it, but I have no idea what the paid features do that the free app doesn't do. Like, there's nothing that I wish I had more of. Maybe it's ignorance is bliss part, but I don't really need anything else. Wow, that's a nice bridge. This is our first obstacle. It's not really too bad. It's just a low-hanging branch or tree. Little blind curves over here. It's a little weird, not gonna lie. It's a little weird trying to get used to off-road riding, to be honest. It's a different game that you play, and that's why it's so enjoyable, because you can't just zone out. You gotta be one with your bike. That's so corny, but so true. I love the quick shifter when I'm off-road. Get to change it without worrying about the clutch or anything like that. I love this, man. Oh man, how gorgeous. Turn on this 360 camera here. There it is. Oh, look at the moss growing. Nature. It's so nice. This is amazing. I love this. I love nature. I love loving being at peace. This is living, guys. This is just amazing. Well, apparently it says a severe thunderstorm watch. It's gonna start raining soon, so I'm gonna try to get my ass to the campground, set up my tent before it rains on me. I'm about halfway, so I still got about an hour to drive. Let's go! Hello. So I made it to a campsite. No cell service. I think I sent out a message to my wife. I got rained on. Got rained on pretty hard. Got pretty soaked. Doesn't faze me much. I'm okay with it, but the bike's a mess. And I feel the bugs coming out, so right now I'm gonna set up camp. It's around 5 o'clock right now. I'm really tired. Set up camp, and then I'll update you guys.
So there's a kind of equanimous that happens when we're stuck in either a
Please excuse the hair. It started to rain again. I got changed, I ate. So I got about 30 or 50 miles done on the route, about 3 hours, and it started to rain. And I made it to the site that I thought was a campground, but it ended up being a day camp for kids. So I actually found this campsite. I think it's called Pleasant Valley Campground. I'll correct it if I'm wrong. This place is $25 a night. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough cash, but they let me stay anyways, which was really nice of them. This was like a 20-minute backtrack, and I'm here for the night. I'm gonna journal real quick, and I'm gonna hit the hay. It's about 7 p.m. I'm gonna try to wake up early and ride early. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, power off. GoPro, stop recording.